Hello, my name is Joana Citlali Lopez Sanchez, and my author of biography that I choose is Frida Kahlo. In the following presentation, it is visuality in a better way. Although she moved in the environment of the young Mexican moralists, her certain and shared ideals, Frida Kahlo created an absolutely personal, naive, and deeply metropolitan painting of the same theme, derived from her exalted sensitivity and from various events that marked her life. Frida Kahlo Magdalena Carmen Frida Kahlo Calderón was born on July 6, 1907 in Mexico City, in the house that had been owned by their parents since 1904 and is now today as the Blue House. Frida was the dear of four daughters of this marriage. Matilda and Adriana were the oldest and Christina the youngest. The next presentation and picture is visuality in a better way. At the age of 6, Frida fell ill with poliomyelitis, causing her right leg to be shattered. This was a source of ridicule. However, this did not stop her from being a restless and tenacious student. She studied at the National Preparatory School. At age 18 on September 17, 1125, Frida had a tragic accident. The bus he was traveling in was hit by a tram. The consequences for her were serious. Several bones fractured and spinal cord injuries due to the immobility to which she was subject for several months. Frida began to paint. Her works were included in the Mexican exhibition of 1939, which has present of the Nova Colli Gallery in Paris, as well as a Water Group exhibition that throughout her life were presented in Mexico, participating in the international exhibition.